And now we come to the point, like all Fenn assemblies, where we pause and reflect on everything that we've seen. I invite you to ask yourself, what can I do in my own little way to bring peace and harmony into this earth? President Obama once said, "Let us not forget that routine discrimination and Jim Crow laws aren't relics of ancient history. They're not a blink in the eye of humanity. It was just yesterday." And so, we should not be surprised that not all the healing is done. But we shouldn't despair that there's still work to do. And knowing the larger story should remind us how remarkable that the progress we have made truly is. And let that inspire us to further progress. And so, we should strive to listen to each other. But more importantly than that, to see each other. Black or white, Latino or Native American, European or Asian American. See how all of our stories are bound together. And bound together with women in America, and workers in America, and entrepreneurs in America, and LGBTQ people in America. And tell yourself in unison that I too am America. Imagine if we all said with one voice that we care. We care enough to give. We care enough to reach out. We care enough to hold on to our dreams for brotherhood and for sisterhood. We care enough to do no harm. We care enough to say, "Let there be peace on earth. Let it begin with me, and we shall overcome."